What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Ali. Do you like sharks? You better like sharks. And today I'm here with my best friend Eatin. Say something, Eatin.
Hello, how are you? I'm under the water. Please help me. It's too much raining.
Oh my God. And today we are playing Edward the Man-Eating Train, the same game where that one little baby died in. Don't you just hate it when giant spider things are annoying for you guys? Don't you just
I know. What happened to the train?
What happened to the train?
Yeah, like the train has seen better days.
Very better days.
And by the way, like I said, I said that I was gonna fix the microphone problem.
I don't know if this fixed it or not, but let's just hope it did.
Yeah.
So we're playing Edward the Man-Eating Train.
He's Spider Boy.
Yeah, Izan died. He's dead.
Yeah, because I was on this like second floor thingy in the train, and then I was yelling about making a video, and then it fell off.
Yeah, we survived low danger zone.
That was a kumalala.
Wait, I don't want to get copyright strike. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was hoping.
Wednesday what is that?
empty arms were open.
Hey, sis.
It's a gun.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
I'm gonna get one. Cause I have 1,001. I have 1,071.
I could have gotten a grenade launcher. Just kidding. I can't get a grenade launcher.
Elbows, imagine you're getting a. Why are you looking at me like that?
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at. I said look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Okay, you're looking at. Look at me in the eye. Look at me. Look at me. I said look at me. Okay, you're looking at me. Look at me.
Oh.
It's kind of late.
No! Monday let me broken Tuesday. I was too open. Let's say my MTR for open.
Baxter Family
The
Farm.
dangerous mother and.
Baxter Family Farm is stuff.
Guys, don't worry. The Spider Boy will be defeated because I'm gonna shoot him with my two legendary guns.
Bro, he has 2 legendary guns. Now he's just flexing.
Imagine I have. Okay, I'm not.
Wait, what is? Push her off! Push her off!
No, I'm not that evil. I want to check if it actually, kind of,
Be quiet!
Oh, bro, I think we should be focusing on the man-eating train.
I'm actually the man-eating train is not real. No, we don't have to worry about anything.
I hear train.
Oh, but what the hell? Ah!
It's a train.
You should be big.
Bro, average train in Ohio.
Average train in Ohio. Tap me, get pew pew.
Pew, 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 pew.
Pew pew.
I got my AK-47 and I want to
You
shoot
don't even have an AK-47.
I'm actually the SK, the sharpshooter rifle.
Actually, mine is called the MA-16.
You're mature? I did not know that. Anyways, we should shoot this guy. Down now. Down and now.
Now. Who the heck is Kit?
Bro, I don't want to fall down so.
I didn't know you were there. Ow, stop shooting me! You better stop. You better do a job that. I've never said rhyme. Oh, wait, whoa. One second. Monday left me broken.
Our name is Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots.
And today we are unboxing this cool toy. Make sure to like and sub. Wait.
Oh, he's shooting fire. That gave me actually go.
No, I died.
I think I'm the only one remaining.
Wait. No, it's you and 3 other people. I died.